Hello students, I Sheetal Baria from Saraswat International Academy welcome you to the science class. Today we will be discussing the notes of chapter number 3 Fiber to Fabric part 3. Lesson number 3 Fiber to Fabric. Choose the correct option. From the fleece hair of which animal is wool obtained? Goat, yak, sheep, all of the given. Answer is all of the given. The hair is obtained from goat, yak, sheep, all of them. Second one. Wool of which animal is more common in Tibet and Ladakh? Yak, camel, goat, llama. Answer is yak. Number 3. From which animal wool is obtained in South America? Llama and yak and alpaca and llama, camel and goat. Answer is alpaca and llama. Next one. Wool is obtained from Angora goats found in which hilly region? South India, Jammu and Kashmir, Tibet and Ladakh, East India. Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Number 5. Which breed of sheep of Rajasthan and Punjab gives good quality wool? Marwari, Patanwadi, Lohi, Angora. Answer is Lohi. Number 6. Silk fibers are made up of which type of following? Carbohydrate, lipid, protein, none of these. Answer is protein. Number 7. Which is the next stage to egg in life history of silk moth? Caterpillar, cocoon, tadpole, pupa. Answer is caterpillar. The name of an industry of the rearing of silkworm for obtaining silk. Silviculture, apiculture, moriculture, sericulture. Answer is sericulture. Number 9. Which of the following is obtained from sheep? Nylon, wool, cotton, jute. Answer is wool. Number 10. Which of the following is a kind of tassar? Silk, wool, cotton, jute. Answer is silk. Number 11. Which fiber burns with the odor of burning plastic? Pure silk, wool, artificial silk, cotton cloth. Answer is artificial silk. Number 12. Which stage in life history of silk moth is known as caterpillar? Cocoon, pupa, butterfly, larva. Answer is larva. Number 13. Moga is which of the following type? Wool, silk, jute, sheep. Answer is silk. Moga is a kind of silk. Number 14. Chiru, an antelope, belongs to which country? Tibet, New Zealand, South America, Australia. Answer is Tibet. Number 15. What is the scientific name of mulberry? Apis indica, Bombax mori, Musca domestica, Morus alba. Answer is Morus alba. Number 16. Which fibers are obtained from worm? Silk, wool, jute, cotton. Answer is silk. Silk is obtained from the silkworm. Define rearing. Rearing, the process of keeping, feeding, breeding, and medical care of economically useful animals is called rearing. Means to keep the animals for earning money for monetary gains or for business purpose is called rearing. Shearing. The process of removing the fleece of the sheep along with thin layer of skin is called shearing. Number 3. Sericulture. The rearing of silkworm for obtaining silk is called sericulture. Answer in one sentence. Number 1. From which animal is wool obtained from the fleece of in India? In India, wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep, goat, yak, camel. These animals, sheep, goat, yak, and camel, give wool for making woolen fiber. Number 2. Usually in which season are the hair of sheep removed? Usually the hair of sheep are removed in summer, the hot weather season. Number 3. Mention the 3 names of Indian breeds of sheep. Indian breeds of sheep are Lohi, Bakarwal and Patanwadi. Number 4. What is selective breeding? The process of selecting parents for obtaining special characters in their offspring is termed as selective breeding. Means parents are selected for obtaining special characters in their offspring or in their young ones is termed as selective breeding. The soft silk yarn is as strong as comparable to thread of steel. So the yarn is as strong as a thread of steel. Number 11. Mention the different types of silk. The different types of silk are mulberry silk, tasar silk, eri silk, muga silk. Next question. Give points of difference. Number 1. Wool and silk. Wool is obtained from the fleece or the hair of sheep or yak. Silk is obtained from the cocoon of the silk moth. So we get wool from sheep and yak, silk from the silkworm. Next point. Shawls, sweaters, mufflers are made of wool. Silk sari, loose gown, sari, silk dress are made from silk. Second one, natural silk, artificial silk. Natural silk is obtained from the cocoons of the silk moth. Artificial silk is prepared chemically from the fibers obtained from polymer like plastic. Natural silk is formed from animal fiber. Artificial silk is formed from artificial fiber. Third point, the smell of burning of natural silk is same to the smell of burning hair, and the smell of burning of artificial silk is similar to smell of plastic burning. Answer the following question in detail. Question number 1. Describe the various steps used in the process for obtaining wool from fleece of sheep. Answer. The steps used in process of obtaining wool are as follows. Step number 1. Shearing. The process by which the fleece, the hair of the sheep, along with thin layer of skin is removed from its body is called shearing. Shearing is similar to shaving done by men. Step 2. Scoring. The sheared skin with the hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove the grease, dust, and dirt from the hair. That is known as scoring. Step 3. Sorting. Sorting means separating. After scoring, sorting is done. The hairy skin is sent to a factory where hair of different textures are sorted. They are separated according to the texture. Step 4. Drying. The small fluffy fibers called burrs are picked out from the hair. The fibers are scoured again and dried. This is the wool ready to be drawn into fibers. Step 5. Dyeing. Dyeing means to add color. The natural fleece of the sheep and goat is black, brown, or white. So, the fibers can be dyed in various colors. Step 6. Rolling, spinning. The fibers are straightened, combed, and rolled into yarn. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters, and the shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloth. Question number 2. Explain how are silk thread and silk fibers obtained by rearing silkworms. Answer. A female silk moth lays hundreds of eggs at a time. The eggs are stored carefully on strips of cloth or paper and sold to the silkworm farmers. The silkworm farmers keep eggs under hygienic conditions and under suitable conditions of temperature and humidity. Means the eggs, they are kept in such a way that they can produce silk worms from it. The eggs are warmed at to a suitable temperature for the larva to hatch out of the eggs. This is done when mulberry trees bear a fresh crop of leaves. The larvae, called caterpillars, eat day and night and increase enormously in size. So, this larva which hatch out from the eggs, they eat the leaves of mulberry trees and they eat continuously day and night, and so they grow enormously, means in they go big in size. The larvae are kept in clean bamboo trays along with freshly chopped mulberry leaves. After 25 to 30 days, the caterpillars stop eating and move to a tiny chamber of bamboo in the tray to spin cocoons. So, after eating for 25 to 30 days, the caterpillars, they stop eating and they move into small chambers, tiny chambers of the bamboo to spin the cocoon. Small racks or twigs may be provided in the tray to which cocoons get attached. So they take the support of the twig or the rack in the tray to make the cocoon, and the cocoon gets attached to it. A pile of cocoons is used for obtaining silk fibers. The cocoons are kept under sun or boiled or exposed to steam. The silkworm are separated out. The silk fibers are separated out. With the use of special machines, the threads of silk unwind from cocoon. Silk fibers are then spun into silk threads, which are woven into silk cloth by the weavers.